Now to those big headlines coming in right now on Olympic sprinter Oscar Pistorius, back inside a South African court for the second day of his bail hearing. Stunning details being revealed by police this morning, and ABC's Bazi Kanani is in South Africa with the latest right now. Good morning, Bazi.
Good morning, Robin, and a big welcome back to you. In court this morning, the key witness on the stand was the chief investigator in the case against Oscar Pistorius. He talked about what he found inside Pistorius' house the night his girlfriend was shot and explained the main reasons prosecutors insist this was murder. Prosecutors say there is no way the shooting death of Oscar Pistorius' girlfriend, model Reeva Steenkamp, was an accident. They say forensics suggest that Pistorius was standing in the master bathroom when he shot the supermodel, who was crouched in a defensive position behind a locked door in a smaller powder room. Prosecutors claim they found 2 boxes of testosterone in the bedroom, which the defense disputes, saying it's just herbal supplements. But prosecutors maintain witnesses heard constant arguing. We have a witness who says she heard nonstop shouting and fighting between 2 and 3 a.m., said prosecutor Harry Nell. He said another witness saw lights on at the time of the gunshots. Both claims directly contradicting what Pistorius said happened on that Valentine's Day, when he says after a quiet night at home, in the pitch dark, he accidentally shot Steenkamp through a bathroom door, mistaking her for an intruder, then desperately trying to save her when he realized his mistake. I tried to render the assistance to Reeva that I could, but she died in my arms, said Pistorius. Prosecutors say ballistic evidence also will show Pistorius lied when he said he was not wearing his prosthetic legs when he fired his gun, but that, in fact, he had taken the time to put them on first. Prosecutor Nell asked Officer Boda, "You were there. What was the angle?" Officer Boda, "Seems to me down, fired down." Nell, "Through the top part of the door, not the bottom." Officer Boda, "Definitely." As new details of the case against Oscar Pistorius come out, Reeva's brother, Adam Steenkamp, spoke to Good Morning America from his family's home in Port Elizabeth.
We are not focusing on what is happening with Oscar at the moment.
Prosecutors are arguing Pistorius should not get bail because between his offshore bank accounts and his home in Italy, they consider him a potential flight risk.